Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to create an ebook in Gamma app. So the first thing that you need to do is to open gamma.app as see from here, and then you can actually click on start for free or log in onto your account. So I will just make a new account for this. You can actually log into your Google account from here. I will just skip this operation. All you need to do is to fill in your email or log in with Google. After that, here it will ask you how do you plan to use Gamma. You need to click on for personal use or for education if you are an educator or a student. After that, from here you can actually choose what is your role. I will choose creator. And now you can choose how many people will work with you. I will just say just me. Now from here you can actually click on not sure yet and click on continue. And from here you can tell them how do you know actually about them. As you are watching now from YouTube, you can just click on YouTube and now click on generate to start generating. So you need to click on document, and now from here you can choose the number of cards. I will just choose 3 cards. Now you need to tell them what are you going to make. So you can tell them any prompt like this: make me an ebook that talks about video games. You can actually just tell them to generate any ebook for you. I will generate the outline, and I'll see from here it will generate the outline in just 3 cards. The world of video games, storytelling, art, and innovation. I'll see there's a lot of outlines from here. And now you can choose the title, and actually you can manipulate some stuff from here. After that you can hit on generate. As you see from here, this is the book that we actually made. It has generated 5 slides of the book, but you can actually prompt Gamma to make you more and more cards. I'll see from here. So that's actually how you generate an ebook using Gamma. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.